Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be installing this frontal wig unit. So today we are working with Asteria hair company, and I'm just going to unbox and show you guys what I received. I got an edge brush, a melt band, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and a satin bag that you can actually just store the hair in afterwards. So this is the wig in the package. It was a 26-inch 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. Can you guys see the hairline? Because it was plucked for us, it was bleached for us, ready to install. This hair was super thick as well. I'm just showing you guys how it looks on my skin. The HD lace, the hairline. I didn't have to do any work to this except for put it on. So this wig was super thick. It was a 200% density, and this is an M cap wig. So I'm just showing you guys the inside. We have two combs on the sides, one at the back. We have the adjustable band as always, and then we also have this band inside with a non-slip grip. You can actually make it looser or tighter, and you can also remove it if you'd like. So this is how the inside looks. Yep. Some nice straight long hair. We're gonna get into this install. So jumping straight into this tutorial, you want to make sure your hair is braided nice and flat. I have 6 braids in, and then I'm going in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just spraying that along my hairline, using my edge control brush to just brush back those hairs that may be in the way and dry them. So you want to just go around your entire hairline and do this just to make sure you don't have no little hairs in the way when you're ready to lay down the wig. Next, I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to apply the concealer into the inside of the frontal portion of the wig. This just helps it blend in better with your skin tone. Once that's done, I'm using the comb at the back of the wig, and I'm just going to insert it to the middle of the back of my head just to make sure that it is lined up straight in the middle. And you just want to put it on just like that. So it's up to you. As you can see, you can push the wig forward onto your forehead, you could push it back, you could lay it wherever you want. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I was feeling it. I did go ahead and part out around my ears. You don't want your ears to be covered, so if you have extra lace around your ears, you just want to go in with some scissors and cut around your ear. So it should be laying just like that. And you're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. So now that the wig is fitting my head the way I want it to, I'm just going to pull back the lace a bit so I can see my hairline. And then I'm going in with my Ebin adhesive, and I'm just spraying that along the hairline. You want to tap it in your skin and then use your blow dryer to just dry it a bit. You don't want it completely dry, but just dry it a bit, and then pull that lace back down, and that's how you're gonna melt it into your skin. You're gonna lay on top of the adhesive. I like to use my comb to press it in. And I work one side at a time, so I like to do one side and then do the opposite side. So once I've laid it on top of the adhesive, I'm going back in with a little bit more, and I'm just spraying it onto the hairline. And as you can see, I'm still pressing it with the comb, and then I'm going in with my blow dryer to dry it. That way you could see that it is in place and it's set exactly where you want it to be, because then we're gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace. So when cutting off the extra lace, I just like to make a slit with my scissors all around the extra lace, so that way I know I'm following right. Sometimes you can't really see, so it's just a good guide to do. And then I go in with my brow razor and I just razor off the extra lace. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm just going in with a little bit more of my adhesive. This is just to give it the melt. You don't have to use the adhesive. You could even use like a different type of holding spray, melting spray, anything like that. But I'm just going back in with that same product I was using, and I am just putting it on the hairline, pressing it down into my skin, and drying it at the same time. And once it's dried, I'm going to use my melt band and wrap around my hairline. Now I'm going in with my Dax and my Bow Silk. I'm going to spread that all over the hair. And then use my Babyliss Nano Titanium flat iron to just press the hair out. It was already nice and straight, guys. Like, I honestly didn't have to, so I just went in big sections and flat ironed it. So once I've straightened everything, I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm just parting the frontal portion in sections and using my hot comb to press it down, just so that the front area lays even flatter. Now I'm just removing the melt band, so this is how it's looking. I did go in and comb through the hairline because it will make it stiff, so you just want to make sure you just comb it through. And then I decided I wanted some baby hairs and sideburns, so I went ahead and parted that out. And once I've parted it out, I'm going in with my scissors to just cut them. You could also use your razor if you want. It's all up to you. Now I'm using my mini flat iron and I'm just going in to curl them. That way it's easier for me to style. So I'm using my edge control brush and my Got To Be Free spray to just style the baby hairs the way I want it. This is optional. You don't have to even do baby hairs, but this was the look I was going for. So once it's styled, I just went back in with my wax stick, combed everything down. I combed everything through, then I went back in with my hot comb just to press it all down for that final touch. But I was loving it. So I did decide to just comb it around my ears because it was giving nice, flat, sleek, thick, everything it needed to give. So yeah, this is how we decided we were gonna wear it today. And yeah, once that was done, I went in with my BioSilk, of course, sprayed that all over my hair because you know once your hair is done, you need some good shine on it. So I love using shine on spray every single time, but this is basically how the hair came out. This is one of my favorite installs. This wig was so nice. Shout out to Asteria Hair Company for sending it over to me. If you guys are interested in this wig, all the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you've made it this far, I hope you like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at nay.simone, and let me know down in the comments how you're feeling about it. So yeah, until next time guys, I'll see you in the next one. Can you tell I was feeling myself?